If you go to places where your heart can be wide open and your mind becomes still, there is a peace you ask for. There's a freedom inside of you. If you can zoom out from all the sorrows and be kind to your monkey mind, and just take your time to relax, to breathe, you can see all the beauty around you. Maybe you can see the beauty inside of you. Feel your heartbeat. Feel all the feelings which you like and don't like. You don't have to hurry. You don't have to do anything. Just calm your mind and be nice to you. You've done so much.